Livespace is a CRM system provider that automates the sales process and increases the efficiency of B2B sales teams. The application facilitates the collection of data about customers and sales and allows you to plan, analyze, and improve the operations of the sales team. The client had a dedicated server infrastructure, several physical servers with virtualization. The infrastructure was not easily scalable. There was no possibility of a flexible and rapid increase in resources adequate to the growing business requirements or rapid preparation of test environments. Additionally, there were problems with database replication, which required the intervention of administrators from time to time. The client's priority was flexibility, scalability, and security. As a hoster, we proposed a one-to-one migration to Amazon Web Services combined with maximum use of available AWS services, such as Database, RDS Aurora, Cache Redis, Elasticache, File Storage, S3, Queuing System, SQS, and other, EC2, ELB, CloudWatch, SES, SNS. During the project, we also used New Relic and Graylog. The change of infrastructure also allowed to update the versions of the systems and services used. Livespace gained flexibility, both in scaling production servers and in the context of testing applications and new solutions. It is possible to scale quickly and conveniently on many levels. Migration to the cloud also allowed to change the version and update the services used, which, in addition to changes in the physical infrastructure, influenced the optimization of application operation. As a result, the application was accelerated from the level of the end user by about 35%, and at the level of requests on the server even 10 times. This translated into more stable application operation, increased end-user satisfaction, and a reduction in the number of service requests for application operation. The application environment and service configuration have also been unified, resulting in lower maintenance costs. All services are gathered in one environment, AWS, so the time to detect problems and respond to them is much faster. Hoster, cloud and server experts. www.hostershi.pl